Hi, this is Matt Sorensen with Midland GIS Solutions. This demonstration will be focusing on the markup tools that are built into our Integrity Web GIS platform. So to get to the markup tools, you simply will click on the Tasks tab in the upper left-hand corner. And you're going to see several of these markup tools, starting with point, text, freehand line, polyline, ellipse, freehand shape, circle, polygon, and rectangle. These are just all the different options that you can choose, basically just to mark up your map. If you're wanting to make a sketch, put some text, maybe work on a preliminary plan for a proposed development, or basically about anything that you can think of. It's as if you have a highlighter or pen and you're able to mark up your map however you want. So I'll just kind of run through and show you an example. So for this, I'm just zoomed into some random property here, and let's say this community or the city or county is looking at proposed park development in this particular area. So I can go in here and click on the polygon button. I'll get into the snapping capabilities here in a little bit, but you're going to see where I can pick a style. So it gives me a few different colors, solid line, dashed line, a dotted line around that. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this green boundary. And then I can simply go around the area that I'm wanting to draw that polygon. And I'm just simply clicking around with my mouse. Go back to this place I started. Double click to stop that drawing. So you're going to see it drew a polygon, has a transparency on it so we could actually see the aerial imagery behind it. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and pick the text button. There are a few styles that you can pick from, different sizes or color of text. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at the standard. So wherever I click on my mouse on the screen, that's where it's going to place that text. I'm just going to put proposed park, hit enter. You're going to see where it's going to place that text in there. I can actually click on the edit button now. Let's say I don't want it to be right in the middle. I can click on that, click cancel, and then I can actually move it around and place it wherever I want. So I'll just go ahead and kind of move it up here a little bit. And also on the polygon that I drew as well, I clicked on that, and you can see it's showing me the vertices around that. So if I wanted to slightly modify that a little bit, I can actually go in there and edit that if I needed to as well. Okay, let's click off of that. All right, and let's see, I can just keep going. I can put some points in here. Once again, I can go to my styles. Let's say this is for the water line. We're going to need to put a water valve here, maybe here and there. And I can go and pick my line, set my style. Let's go ahead and make it a dashed blue line. Double click to end it. Puts that in there. Let's say I want to put a proposed shelter. Let's go ahead and change the color of that right here. Put some text in. Put shelter. And let's say there may be let's go ahead and use polygon. Go ahead and make that a different color. Playground here. There we go. Okay, so, and then if I had like some new power poles for electric, sanitary sewer, I could continue putting that information in here as well, or maybe if there's a road or a parking lot, what have you. So you can see, I mean, the sky's the limit. I can actually just go through there and spend quite a bit of time just marking up a custom map. I'm the only one that's seeing this information. This isn't shared on the website with anyone else. So I can actually print this out if I wanted to once I'm done creating it. Now let's go ahead. Let's say there's some parcels over here I want to color. Let's say the city or the county is looking at maybe acquiring some property, you know, for a new administration building or what have you. That's where I can actually snap. Let's go ahead and pick polygon. Now I can actually enable snapping, and so I just click that, and then I want to set my select my snapping layers. So if I click that, it's going to open up my snappable layers over here. You can see that the parcel layer is already defaulted as checked to snap to. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as that. Let's check my style. Go ahead and make that red. And now you're going to see where it's automatically snapping to the vertice of this existing parcel boundary. So I can go ahead and click here. Just click on each one of the vertices around that property. So it's going to make a nice clean shaded area for that parcel. I can go ahead and change different color for this other parcel. Double click to stop it, and then I can put some more text in there and so forth. So I showed you the editing. You can erase individual elements. So if I click on the erase button, let's just say I wasn't too happy with the playground that I drew in here, I can click that, and it's going to say, are you multiple drawings exist at this location? Sure. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. I can erase that text there. There we go. So it does allow to erase individual elements, and then I can also clear the whole thing out at once just by clicking the clear button and click OK, and it wipes it all clean. So that's just the quick demonstration of the markup tools, and thank you very much.